Assalamualaikum all, welcome to my channel Study Time with Umar Tawkir. Here I am with another video for you, and today's topic is, as you know, SST, because we are continuing our series the Delhi Sultanate, and today maybe it's the day it ends. Okay, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will keep posting this content for you, and you keep enjoying it. Okay, now let's see today's video. Okay, as you can see, today's topic is SST, and the series is, again, the heading means it is the Delhi Sultanate, and the dynasty, you can say it's the Sayyid dynasty, and the rulers here are only two, and one of them is popular, only a little popular, and the other is not popular. But these are the two common ones in the Sayyid dynasty, Khizr Khan and Shah Alam. Now let's see both of them briefly. Okay, let's see both of them briefly in paragraphs as well. Okay, in paragraphs we can see both of them briefly now. Okay, here's about Khizr Khan, governor left by Taimur to rule the Punjab. You remember Taimur, na? He was the last ruler in the Tughlaq dynasty, which we got to know about in the video before this video. Yes, got it. He was the governor left by Taimur to rule the Punjab. He left the rulers to you can say rule many places. Na? He left, I think, the rulers. I think one was Punjab. He left one at the Punjab, and I think at Multan and Attock he also left. Yes, maybe. And so the governor left by Taimur to rule the Punjab, he was one of them. One of the governors was Khizr Khan. Okay, and conquered Delhi and the Doab. Okay, he conquered these two places, ruled as Sultan from 1414 to 1421. So you can say he was the most popular in the Sayyid dynasty, because the Sayyid dynasty was also described as undistinguished, means it was not a popular one. Okay, so you can say he was the most popular in this Sayyid dynasty. Now let's see the last ruler, Shah Alam, who was not much popular. Okay, so here's about Shah Alam. As I told you, there was not much about him. Not a popular ruler, a weak ruler, a weak person, you can say. Did nothing for the Sayyid dynasty. Handed power to Behlol Khan Lodi. Behlol Khan Lodi is actually the next ruler who has founded the new dynasty and the last dynasty, the Lodi dynasty. Okay, now it's a very short video for now, so we can continue the Lodi dynasty here as well. Okay, so we will do two dynasties in one video. Okay, so here the Sayyid dynasty is finished. Now let's get started with the Lodi dynasty. Okay, so here's the Lodi dynasty. As you can see, this is the Lodi dynasty, and there are three rulers. The most common rulers here, the Behlol Khan Lodi, Sikandar Shah and Sultan Ibrahim. These are the three rulers which we are going to see briefly in short paragraphs. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have gathered information about the first ruler, Behlol Khan Lodi. He was the founder actually of the Lodi dynasty. He was the governor of Punjab. Like Khizr Khan, he was also the governor of Punjab, ruled as Sultan from 1451 to 1488. So this is the time he ruled as a Sultan. Okay, regained important parts of the Sultanate, including Bihar and the Punjab. Okay, so maybe these were the places which were lost from their hands. He regained them for the Sultanate. Okay, so this is a very big contribution by him, and he died in 1488 when his rule was ended. Okay, and he was succeeded by who? Let's see. Okay, here's Sikandar Shah, who was the son of Behlol Khan. He did not do all else as well much. He did not do much as well for the dynasty, the Lodi dynasty. He just expanded the empire a little, kept expanding the empire, and set up a new city at Agra and moved his capital there. Okay, this was all done by him. And now let's see about the last ruler of the Delhi Sultanate, the whole Delhi Sultanate, and the last ruler of the Lodi dynasty, who is Sultan Ibrahim. Let's see. Okay, so here's the last ruler of the Delhi Sultanate and the last ruler of the Lodi dynasty, Sultan Ibrahim, Sikandar Shah's son. Okay, he means Behlul Khan is his grandfather and Sikandar Shah is his father. Okay, Sikandar Shah's son, not an excellent ruler like his father. Okay, he was also not an excellent ruler, faced rebellions in the provinces, could not command his troops. These were his weaknesses, and at last was defeated by Zahiruddin Muhammad of the Mughal dynasty, which is another story and maybe our next series. Comment down below if you want this series or not. Okay, so this was the end of our Delhi Sultanate, which was going on from I think 2 or 3 videos. Yes, and at last we have finished it. There were 5 dynasties: the Slave dynasty, the Khilji dynasty, the Tughlaq dynasty, the Sayyid dynasty and the Lodi dynasty, and we have completed all these, and I have shown you all the rulers briefly. Okay, I have shown all the rulers briefly to you, and that would have cleared your you can say problems or queries in these things. Okay, so this was all from the Delhi Sultanate and this video. Comment down below if you want another series like this named as the Mughal dynasty. Okay, for now it's over. The Delhi Sultanate is over. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll keep posting this content for you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.